Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a light lifted makeup look for those days that you just want to look like you're not wearing makeup, but you look highlighted and you have this like glow to the skin and just a nice soft look. And I'm going to show you guys how I use the highlighting balm from Merit. I have this in the shade Bounce, so it is such a beautiful highlighter. Cream and liquid highlighters can be so nice. They melt into the skin, and I'm going to show you where to apply them to get the best impact from them. So this one is a like light champagne color, so it's perfect for day and night. This highlighter gives you a dewy, balmy sheen with zero sparkle, and that is what kind of makes it look more natural, is you don't have that sparkle, but you do get that nice sheen and glow with like really light iridescent shimmer to it. So if you guys are into seeing how to use this product and how to highlight, then just keep watching. So I don't have any foundation on the skin, just some moisturizer. I am self-tanned, so I've got some glow going on for that. I'm going to start with my Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick from Merit Beauty in the shade Ecru, and I am just going to apply this to the inner parts of my eye where I get that bluish purple shadow, and I'm just going to use my finger to blend this out. This product is just so beautiful to use in spots where you just need a little extra coverage, and it just blends into the skin so nicely. And then I'm just going to go on the outside of the eye right here near the tail of the brow. This also helps give a little bit of lift. So you see how it just blends super lightly into the skin, and just adding a little bit of lift to the eye. Now if we want some added lift to the cheeks, we can go in right under our natural kind of cheekbone contour there and just apply a little bit of that on a diagonal up towards the ear, and that'll instantly give you a little bit of highlight there, a little bit of chisel. Same on the other side, and you just blend it out with your finger. And that just helps create that natural shadow instead of adding any kind of contour or bronzer there. You don't need anything. You can just add highlight to create the natural shadow. So I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose as well, and the tip of my nose. I'm going to add a little bit to the middle of my chin just to bring that area forward. And you can even just line around the lips and just blend that through. Some of these spots we're going to double up with the highlighter as well, but I'm just using this as the base. You can just see with those spots you already have some natural lift going on. We don't look like we have a lot of makeup on, so it's just giving a really natural finish. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of the concealer complexion stick right above the middle of my brow on my forehead. That's just going to draw the light up right there and just again give that little bit of lift. Now we're going to go in with the Day Glow. So this is in the shade Bounce. This is such a beautiful neutral tone, enough warmth, enough cool tones in it, and no real strong pigment of like pink or gold or bronze, so it's like the perfect tone. So I'm going to go in and show you where to use this and how it'll just give you such a nice highlighted look. So I'm just going to rub some on my finger. It's a nice creamy dewy balm, and we're just going to start applying it to the tops of our cheekbones. And just with having a little bit of like self tanner on the skin and adding that contrast of highlight, it already looks like my cheeks are bronzed. You can just go into the other side as well. I'm going to go in and add it again to the top of my lip right here. So I'll just kind of overlap it with my lip liner after, so you just kind of get that little bit of highlight that's just going to pop really nice on the lips and give them a little bit more fullness. We're going to go down the bridge of the nose as well as the tip, so just leaving this area out right here helps create that cute little button nose look. I love to use it right underneath my brow bone, more in the center, not on the deep kind of thick part of the skin right there. And then again, we'll just go above the brow. Now I'm going to take some more on my finger, and we're just going to pop it right in the inner corner part of the eye, focusing just on that little area right there. And then right on the center of the lid. Add a little bit to the chin too. So I lined my lips with my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the shade Taupe, I believe. Where is it? Blonde? No, yeah, Taupe. And then I went in with Legendary from Essence, and it just gives the perfect petite little line of highlight once you go over it with your lip liner, and it just highlights that Cupid's bow perfectly and gives the lips a little bit more definition. So I'm going to take you down into the natural light so you can just see some of this radiance that we got going on, a little bit of glow. Again, this is supposed to be super subtle at once, like we're looking for a no makeup look, so that is easy to achieve with just using highlighter if you already have a little bit of glow going on with some bronzer, self tanner. So I'm going to take you guys down into the natural light so you can see the beautiful glow and lift that we got going on. Again, you could always add a little bit of powder highlighter over top if you wanted a more dramatic look, but this is perfect for just giving you a subtle glow, subtle lift and enhancement from just using highlighter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope it was helpful. I will link my Merit Beauty link in the description box below if you guys would like to shop any of the Merit products. And I will see you guys again in my next video.